We have with us Shivam Agrawal. He scored an All India rank of 27 in IIT JEE 2009. He has also cleared the Indian National Chemistry and Physics Olympiads. Hi Shivam. Uh, People preparing for the JEE usually feel that chemistry is quite cumbersome and everything has to be crammed, so people generally tend to lose interest. What do you feel about the same?
Well, according to me, the main reason why students think chemistry is cumbersome and boring is that mostly students are fond of solving questions at this stage. They do not want to learn theory as well, and that's where the difference comes. Chemistry is a subject in which you should be clear with all the theoretical concepts. Then only can you focus on your problems. So according to me, if students will try to learn theory as well as questions, they will find the subject more interesting. And also, basically chemistry is a subject which requires time as well as frequency. You cannot think of studying chemistry at one day and then taking the subject after a month. You have to study it frequently as well. Then you can build up interest in that subject.
Okay. So what are the books which you feel should be used for studying 3 months before the exam?
Well, since only 3 months are left for JEE, I don't think that any book will satisfy the thirst of the students. Books include a wide range of topics, and being concise at this point of time is more important. So they should refer to their concise notes as well. That's more important.
Okay. So who or what played a very crucial role in your JEE preparation?
Well, actually, I had done coaching for my JEE preparation. So, to be true, my chemistry notes were have played the maximum importance for me to get selected in JEE. That's why.
Okay. So coming back to chemistry, in organic chemistry there are a lot of reaction mechanisms. So should students understand them, or is it enough to mug them up?
Well, there is no need of mugging up all the mechanisms. They are quite logical and one needs to understand them. And as I mentioned earlier, here also comes the importance of how frequently you study them. If you will try to understand them, then they will not pose any problem to you, and they will be quite interesting as well. So you need to understand them actually.
So what according to you should be the strategy of a student to prepare for the current JEE pattern?
Well, now since only 3 months are left, the basic premise of students should be that they should focus on their concise notes. They should focus only on those questions which they think are important. They should not be afraid seeing other students preparing from other books and other test series. They should focus on what all is important, because a student knows his misconceptions, his capacities, so he should focus on all what is important. That's
Okay, so in the lead up to the exam, like say, suppose there is just 1 month left before the exams, so what do you think is more important at that time, theory or problems?
Well, for maths and physics, I will surely recommend that questions are always important, but for chemistry, I think since the time is this, the theory can do.
Okay, and students usually face this problem. Tell us how to tackle the boards and JEE together.
Well, according to me, the one who has prepared for JEE well, I don't think that he will get a problem in physics or chemistry for boards. He might get some problems while preparing for English or say an extra subject which he has taken, but that he can manage well, since that is only a single subject. As far as physics and maths are concerned, preparing for JEE is enough, and he can take up chemistry books frequently and study that will be enough. Boards are not as difficult as students think before they appear.
Okay, so how do you think that EduCell can help students?
Well, the basic need of EduCell is that at this point of time, the preparation for JEE is not like you are preparing for school exams. There you have a course book and you just cram it up and put it in your exams. When you are preparing for JEE, having known what you have to study, it is equally important to know how you have to study, and that's where the importance of mentoring appears, and that's what this organization is doing. EduCell is an organization which is mentoring students all over the country to how to prepare for JEE. It is providing a well-organized test series and questions, and that's why I think it's a great achievement of IITians that they are organizing such a good association. I think it will help many students across the country to get better ranks in JEE.
Okay. Is there any experience while you were preparing for JEE that you would like to share with the students out there?
Well, surely, actually I am from a very small town, and I know when I switched off my studies to the JEE preparation, I know that I was not at par intelligence with other students. I had met the cream of my nation in the coaching institute I was studying. But still I worked persistently, I worked immensely hard, and I tried to get information and experience from wherever I could. I learned from my teachers, books, friends, and even from my juniors. And that's what I think being perseverant and organized can help you crack JEE. That's my guidance to all juniors also, that they should understand that being an IITian is utmost thing for you. You can get everything you crave for in IIT, so please work hard and just crack JEE.
Thanks a lot, Shivam. I'm sure your insights will help the students a lot.